bar cart here. Having our lunch outside. I've never tried this butternut squash. Hi guys, welcome to or back to my channel. My name is Aubrey if you're new here. If you aren't new here, thank you so much. And if you are, please subscribe. It helps me out so much. And follow me on Instagram. I post every day and I always link it down below, but I'll leave my name on the screen right here. So, how are we liking the new hair? I like it a lot. I have really quite short bangs right now. I'm going to stay on this. But luckily I find them easy to style because my hair kind of like in the morning. These are my overnight heatless curls that I did. Some days they turn out great, sometimes they don't. Whenever I try to take them out on camera, they always turn out bad. So I think they turned out pretty good. Like I said, I put oil in my hair. I twist facing out a lot higher, and I sleep with little space buns on. Honestly, I think it's a cute look. I love the space bun look, and then it turns out really nice in the morning. Oh, you can do it, B. He's trying to jump down. You can do it. Oh, good boy. Oh, he wants to be next to his mom. Anyway, this is also the little corner that we set up. I really like it. We put the bar cart here and the fake plant. I will link the plant down below. It's from Amazon and it's really good. So today is Wednesday. It's been a busy morning. I just filmed another DHgate haul because all you scheming little people, including myself, really loved that video. Go check it out. I'll link it down below. But today I filmed. I had to do a lot of like admin work, emails, you know, the things. I had blueberries and now I'm getting hungry again because we have like no food. I need to go to the grocery store. I wish B could come to the grocery store. B. I think that's like the one place in the city that I don't ever really try to bring Brooks. Honestly, in New York, you can bring your dog a lot of places. And I never have a problem really, but the grocery store I just find a little meh. And then I have to carry all my groceries home, so I can't be carrying him either because he needs to be carried. Speaking of, I just linked this bag. This is Brooks's bag. Very easy to throw him in and bring to like the dog park and stuff, but oh, sorry B, sorry. Wow, he's touchy today. Okay, anyway. So I need to go to the grocery store. It's not a good idea to go to the grocery store when you're hungry. So I think I might get food, maybe a salad, and then eat it and then go to the grocery store. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, let me show you my outfit because I think it's really cute. You okay? I just dropped you. I will say, a lot of people on YouTube say they have the G7X and that it breaks all the time. I have really put this camera through the ringer. There's been a lot of times where I've dropped it and I'm like, I'm for sure it's gone. But this one I had refurbished and since then it literally has not, it's like a champ. Like I drop it a lot and it's never broken. The screen is never broken. Like I don't know if I just got lucky, but I have the G7X Mark II and that's the one that everybody says breaks and mine is a tank. Anyway, I also want to do a new updated makeup routine because I literally do this makeup look all the time now and it takes 5 minutes and I think it's very natural and glowy and I love it and I want to do an updated routine because it literally takes me 2 seconds. So maybe I'll do that in another video, but I really like how it looks. Let me show you my outfit. Let me just button my pants because I was sitting on the floor, so I had to unbutton. Guys, if you don't jump to put jeans on, maybe you don't feel my pain. All right, here's the outfit. So these look a little funny, but I swear it's just like the sweater. Why are those there like that? Anyway. So this sweater is from Line and Dot from Revolve. So cute. I love the sleeves. Like, how adorable is that? And then I just had like 2 buttons so that you can kind of see the pant. Then I'm wearing these cargo pants. Guys, these are from Forever 21. Okay, they were in my haul a little while ago. I tried some things for fall from Forever 21, and I'm telling you, I expected to like return them all, like not like anything. I loved most of it, including these pants. They fit so nicely. I love the color. Super cute. You need it. So, you know, high and low, Revolve and Forever 21. That's how I roll. My necklace is from my own store, little plug. This is the violet necklace. I will link it down below. You need it for fall. I love the pearl vibe for fall. And then I'm wearing my Gigi chain as well. I'm also wearing my Gigi chain, which is like a 2 chain. Yeah, that's the look. All right, I'm gonna order a salad and then make a grocery list and go to the grocery store. And that is the day. Secured the salad. Having our lunch outside today. But I'm exhausted, but I'm gonna head to the grocery store. I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's. Hopefully not a crazy long line. And I put on my workout clothes so that afterwards I'll work out. So these are just Lululemon, and this is an Amazon top. I love it. Actually, I put on this Lululemon zip up because I was cold. My Kenzo sunglasses. I got my bags here. Whew. In the sun with this black outfit, I'm cooking. It's warmer than I thought, but I'm going to Trader Joe's now. Okay, whew, I just got home. I'm exhausted. Carrying those home, look at my shoulders. I think that's my #1. I've said this a million times. My least favorite thing about New York is carrying home your groceries. Okay, let's do a grocery haul. First fall item. I've never tried this butternut squash mac and cheese from Trader Joe's, but I really want to try it. I usually don't do a lot of like fall items, but I got 2. I got this, and I got the pumpkin bread mix. So, also got veggie sausage links. I like these vegan sausage links in like a breakfast burrito cut up, so got that. Large brown eggs. Another breakfast item, I love Greek yogurt with honey. Then I got a block of feta cheese. I think tonight I'm gonna do that feta pasta because I've never done it even though I'm a year late. So I also got more tomatoes, Brussels sprouts, lemons, mozzarella cheese for salads, as well as a cucumber, red onion for salads, Romano Caesar dressing for salads. And I got both kale and butter lettuce. These are my 2 favorite lettuces. Then I got this cauliflower pizza crust because I want to try it. And then I got corn tortillas because corn tortillas are my favorite thing ever. Then I got some brown rice. I also got cilantro, old-fashioned oats because I was running low. Then I got garbanzo beans, corn, black beans. I also got a pear. Pears are one of my favorite fruits. Very underrated, the pear. Cauliflower, my favorite. Avocado. Then I got semi-sweet chocolate chunks and white chocolate chunks, both for baking. And then a little treat I got was I wanted to try out their licorice. I actually really love licorice, not black licorice. I hate black licorice. But this is their strawberry natural licorice. We love a natural candy because I do love candy. I have such a sweet tooth. Then I got these 2 Suja organic shots. I really like the ginger shots, but I feel like my lemon ginger tonic does the same thing. However, this is vitamin D and zinc with reishi and probiotics, which literally is exactly what I need. That's what I'm missing in my diet. I'm really low on vitamin D, which is weird. And I could always use a probiotic and a prebiotic. I'm trying to get better into my gut health because I do have poor gut health. So I got 2 of these, very excited for that. What else? Okay, guys. This is my #1 find of this year, Stroopwafels caramel. I had them at a dinner party once. It was amazing. They're amazing. They'll change your life, the caramel ones. I got 2. Then I also wanted to try out their mochi. This was just calling to me, chocolate peanut butter. I like mochi. Is that it? Oh, of course, my other favorite Trader Joe's staple is their pita bite crackers. Freaking love those. Bananas. I also got pineapple salsa, ricotta cheese for like ricotta toast with honey, also some fresh raspberry jam, and then my organic chicken, which I don't like touching. Okay. Oh, and Brussels sprouts. Oh, and a sweet potato, and dried apricots, another one of my favorite snacks, and a orange chicken for a rainy day. I like to have one of these in the freezer because if we're down to our very last no food item, that is great in the air fryer. Then I got some pesto, and I don't know if I already showed you the brown rice, but I got brown rice. Quite a haul. That was my Trader Joe's haul. I'm gonna put this all away now. I've been standing on my tiptoes the whole time. That was exhausting, but I'm gonna put this all away, relax a little bit, and then I'll go to the gym. But I need a minute. Time for the gym. I'm really feeling unmotivated. These are my gym shoes, by the way. I find them the comfiest, the Ultra Boosts. These are like, I don't even know what. I don't know sneakers, but they're like this. Hold on, let me pause this. Good workout. I did a 30-minute interval and arms with Olivia, I think Amudo. I've seen her on Instagram. She's a Peloton instructor. And it was really nice, really hard. And I'm tired. Then I came home and I did a Lily Sabri ab circuit. Her abs kill me, and I find that if I just do a little bit of core, my whole body feels so strong and my back hurts less. Like I have a lot of posture issues, but if I just do a little bit of core most nights, I feel so good. So I love Lily Sabri's videos because they're like 5 to 8 minute, like really intense, like HIIT workout, which I really like. I like going hard, 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 then stopping. So now I'm gonna shower, then I'm going to make some dinner. Oh my God, my arm just holding this. So tonight for dinner, I'm trying the feta tomato pasta that everyone made about a year and a half ago. I'm a little late, but I wanted to try it. So I'm not really following a recipe. I just did a bunch of tomatoes, a good chunk of a feta block, Italian seasoning, salt, pepper, olive oil, garlic. Now I'm gonna make the pasta. How much pasta? Here is my sta. Let's boil her up. right, I think she's done. So excited, I'm so hungry. Some more yummy, yummy, yummy. Alright, it's alright. I just had my dinner and I want to have a little sweet. Because I have the biggest sweet tooth, I need something sweet at night. Now I want to try these. My chocolate peanut butter mochi. Let's see how they are. I'm really particular about mochi because the texture, if it's off, I'm like, but let's try it. Mm. 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 Yummy. Okay, wow. I love. Cheers.